Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to roll spreads in Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, to roll any position in your Robinhood options, or you will need just to go to the investing here. But first, make sure that you have your option trading that is enabled, of course, and make sure that your account is complete, etc. So basically to enable your options, you will need just to go to your profile and then go to the menu. From there, you will find investing. By clicking on investing, you will search for the choice that says enable option trading. And after that, you will be able to have your option trading that will be enabled. And basically to roll your position or your options, all you need to do now is just to go to investing and basically you will need just to follow some kind of strategies, etc. So basically if you go to any stocks that you would have or that you have option in, you will need just to click on trade. So basically you will find the buy option or sell, and also you will see view options. So basically by clicking on view options you will find all your options that you have in a specific stock. And basically by clicking on it, you can choose any option that you have and then you can roll your position. So basically by clicking on the stock, you will have a new choice or an option that says roll position here in the trade by clicking on your option, etc. By clicking on roll position, you will be able to start rolling your position uh, by some future options that you will have, etc. So basically, by doing that, you will be able to start rolling your option. And of course, you can also go to the Robinhood Learning Center and you will find many other spread options or spread strategies, and from there you can learn how to roll based on them. So you can, for example, buy some put option and change them with some future, for example, call options or other put options that you will have in uh, the market, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.